In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Microsoft Teams meeting link on WhatsApp from your laptop. This is a simple process, and once you know where to find the meeting link, you can send it quickly to an individual chat or a group. The good news is that you only need the actual Teams meeting link, not all of the meeting details, so the message stays clean and easy for the recipient to use. Start by opening Microsoft Teams on your laptop. Once Teams is open, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Calendar. This is where your scheduled meetings are listed. Next, find the meeting you want to share and click on it. Make sure you select the correct meeting before copying anything, especially if you have several meetings scheduled close together. After opening the meeting details, look for the option that says Copy Link or Copy Meeting Link. Click that option to copy the meeting link to your clipboard. If you don't immediately see the Copy Link option, don't worry, in some cases you may need to click Join first. After that, look again for the Copy Meeting Link option and select it. Once you do that, the link is copied and ready to be pasted elsewhere. Now open WhatsApp on your laptop. You can use either WhatsApp Web in your browser or the WhatsApp Desktop app, depending on which one you prefer. After WhatsApp opens, go to the chat or group where you want to send the Teams meeting link. Click into the message box, then paste the copied link by pressing Ctrl and V on your keyboard. You should now see the Teams meeting link appear in the message field. At this point, you can send the link exactly as it is, or you can add a short message to give context, such as letting people know what the meeting is for or when to join. When you're ready, press Enter to send the message. That's it. Your Microsoft Teams meeting link has now been shared through WhatsApp from your laptop. As a helpful reminder, you do not need to copy the full meeting invitation or all the extra details. The Teams meeting link by itself is usually enough for recipients to open the meeting and join. If you want to make the process faster in the future, keep both Teams and WhatsApp open while you work, especially if you often send meeting links to the same contacts or groups. This can save time and make sharing meetings much more convenient.